Hi all, I want to see a common problem with the Dyson vacuum cleaner. This is an old model, this is a DC34 I think, and the battery is not charged, and when it is on the station it doesn't charge. How can you tell that it doesn't charge? If you look here, you have a LED on the power supply, and the LED should be green when it is charging and off when it is fully charged. So meaning it is not charged now, but I know that the battery is empty. So I will show you what is the common problem for this phenomena. So if you will see, this is the plug, the connector that go to the Dyson. And the problem is that after a few years, this battery is about almost 5 years. So you have the contact of the charging in the battery. You can see in other battery, this is the charging. And the metal plates are a little, let's say, bent over the time. So it doesn't work. But you can easily fix this without doing any significant thing. What you can do is just take the wire and push it up. You will see that when I'm pushing it up, the LED will start to light, which means that it is charging. So let's do it. I'm just pushing up the connector and everything, and now it is charging. Another thing that I did put it on the wall on the opposite side as recommended, but it is more comfortable to me to take it out from the station like this, and not when it is flipped. I will show you what I mean. It is easier to push it down and then to take it out. So in order to fix what I showed permanently, what you can do is just apply a little hot glue below or on the top, below, of course, the metal, between the plastic and the connector itself. So if you will apply a little hot glue, you will be able to solve this problem. I will show exactly where do I mean to put, sorry about that, to put the glue. So what basically is need to be done is insert a little hot glue between the plastic and the rubber of the connector, and that will hold all the connection a little higher, and the problem will be solved. Another issue that I want to show you is when the battery is almost dead, like in my case. So when I'm at maximum, I'm pressing it. It is starting to blink, and when it is blinking like this is saying that the battery is almost dead. Now I will keep it pressed. You see now that I'm pressing the button and it is flashing. This is, in this case, this is not a problem. This is the battery low voltage, and it is stopping to work because the battery is not charged. And if you will charge it, if the battery is okay, it will continue to work. And by the way, this is a DC35, not 34 as I thought. So DC35, this is a 5 years model, still working. I did a few internal fix, but now it is okay. And again, after a few seconds, you can see that it is stopping because battery low voltage. That's what I want to share with you. I want to do another movie. By the way, I have a replacement battery that I bought somewhere on the net. This is high capacity, 2200 milliampere per hour. The first capacity that comes with it is only 1300 milliamps, and this is a low capacity. So since the battery doesn't hold charge now more than 1.5 minutes of work in maximum speed, it should be, I think, about 6 minutes. So maybe I will do a video how to replace the cells inside the battery with other cells. So thank you for now and bye.